Turning your engine, 1X391. Turning good, and the front engines looks good as you can see. Altimeter, no broken. And on this side, everything's good, we didn't see any damage. Look as well on the starter. Starter looking good, same as well like the gearbox. And on this side, everything's nice. Pressure, no broken. Turbo looking good. And on the top, all connectors without any damage. Engines looking nice. And on the bottom, some without any cracks. And turning your engine, 1X391.